Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how to install the new Thinkware Q1000 dashcam model on the electric Kia EV6. The dashcam installation process on an electric car is identical to that of a regular car. There are, however, a few exceptions where it is not possible to hardwire a dashcam on an electric vehicle because they do not have a traditional fuse box, like Tesla's, for instance. Even without a fuse box, you could still install a Thinkware dashcam on your electric car with the help of a Thinkware iVolt external battery. It's an external battery pack that acts as a dedicated power source for the dashcam and is an alternative solution to using a car's battery. All Thinkware dashcams, including the Q1000, have a built-in voltmeter with battery protection safety features. During parking mode, the dashcam constantly monitors the voltage level. If the voltage drops too low, the dashcam will automatically turn itself off to prevent complete drainage of the vehicle's battery. You can also set a timer so the dashcam turns off after a specific duration. Not all dashcams available in the market have such built-in safety features available when hardwired. Choosing a Thinkware dashcam for parking surveillance will avoid the unpleasant surprise of coming back to a car that won't start. Things you will need: Q1000 dashcam 2-channel bundle, installation kit, glass cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. Step 1. Hardwire the dashcam. To enable parking surveillance mode, you need to hardwire the dashcam. Begin by locating the fuse box in your vehicle. The location of the fuse box will vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. For details on where to find your fuse box, refer to the instruction manual supplied with the vehicle. Connect the yellow wire of the hardwiring cable to a constant battery fuse slot, the red wire to an ACC fuse slot, and finally, ground the black cable. For more details on how to hardwire the Q1000 dashcam, please watch our How to Hardwire a Dashcam video at the link at the top. Please note that you need to use the hardwiring cable to hardwire the dashcam in an electric car. The OBD2 cable is not compatible with electric and hybrid vehicles. We advise professional installation if hardwiring your dashcam. Step 2. Check the video feed and install the dashcam. To install the dashcam on the car, we will power it up and check the live video feed on the Thinkware Dashcam Link app. First, turn on the ignition to power and the dashcam to connect your smartphone to the dashcam's Wi-Fi using the app. If you're using the dashcam for the first time, format the inserted memory card. While you're at it, don't forget to enable parking surveillance mode under dashcam settings after you've formatted the card, and choose the recording mode that you want. To install the Q1000 on the windshield, check the live feed in the Thinkware Dashcam Link app until you find the best position for the dashcam. Remember this position and place the heat-blocking film at this spot first. Finally, remove the 3M adhesive film and install the Q1000 dashcam over the heat-blocking film. For more details on how to install your dashcam, please watch our How to Install a Dashcam video at the link at the top. Step 3. Conceal all visible cables. The last step is to conceal all exposed cables by tucking them inside the headliner, as you can see here. For more hints on how to conceal the cables, please check out our video, Top 5 Tips to Hide Dashcam Cables. The link is at the top right corner. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions about Thinkware products, give our customer support team a call or send them an email, and they'll be happy to help you out. For more Thinkware tutorials, unboxings, and details on our dashcam lineup, subscribe below.